I have always wanted to have rosemary in my garden. So I was at the Lidl and I saw they're selling some rosemary plants for €3. I decided to pick up two and I came home to plant it in this garden bed that I picked up from the Praxis, which is really, really nice. You can move this around very, very easily because rosemary is a plant that needed sun, and most of the vegetables I plant in the summer in this garden bed, they need sun. So I will move it around and put it at the corner where the sun penetrates the most. So for now, I want to use this garden bed to plant my rosemary. So what I normally do when I have my leftover vegetables and fruit, I will put it on this garden bed. I will put the compost underneath, and then I will put the soil on top, and then it will all turn into compost. So I do this in the winter, so in the summer I have like a rich compost to plant my vegetables or fruit depending on what I want to plant. And so today I decided to use this to plant my rosemary. So I'm just trying to like mix everything so that just to see I don't have like leftover vegetables and fruits that is still very hard, because sometimes when the vegetables or the fruit is not yet like mixed with the compost really nice, when you plant something underneath, like it doesn't really help with the growth of the product that you are planting in the soil. So I like to like check everything, if everything is mixed, everything is like compost really nicely. And now I am trying to like loosen the roots of the rosemary a little bit, just trying to like squeeze it, like loosen it a little bit so that it can spread its wings underneath with the soil. It can mix underneath the soil properly. I love gardening. I love doing garden work. I love planting strawberries. My favorite thing I love planting is strawberries and Irish potato. I love those things, and sometimes I do paprika, tomatoes. Enjoy doing it. Actually, something I love doing. I'm not really good at it, but I love doing it, and I watch a lot of garden videos on YouTube, so to get more knowledge on it, because it's something I love doing. So the reason why I also decided to plant it in this container, because in the winter you can actually put a bag on top of it to protect it from the harsh weather in the winter. So the reason why I decided to plant it in this container. I only purchased two, but definitely I have enough space. I'm going to also purchase other herbs. I will see what they have in the store, so I can have at least like four herbs in this container. But for now I just have two, and I love using rosemary for my hair. I love using it to cook, so it's going to be really, really nice having it at home instead of buying it at the store every single time. I love the way it turned out, and I can't wait for this to grow much more bigger.